How to use Amazon Music with Prime membership. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can use Amazon Music with Prime membership. So let's just dive right into the video and find out how to do it. So if you want to do that, you can open up a browser first and head over to music.amazon.com. After you tap on this, you can allow this protected content and everything, and you will be led towards the Amazon Music website. And here you should be finding everything. So the next thing you need to do is you need to tap on the sign in option at the top, and it will lead you to another page where you can sign in. So what you need to do while you are signing is you need to use up the same account, the same email and phone number that you use in order to create your Amazon membership and Prime account as well. After that, continue with the process, log in into your account, and once that is done, you will be accessing the Amazon Music with your Prime membership. So that is it for now. That is how you do it, following up those methods. So I hope this video was helpful.